How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel and my video review of the Global Drones GW008 Mini Skull RC quadcopter. It comes in red or gold. I have the gold version. The red version will have the canopy all in red. It has a 3.7 volt 150 milliamp removable battery with a charge time of 30 minutes, and the flying time is 7 to 8 minutes, and the control distance is 50 meters. It says it has headless mode and 1 key return, but I could not figure out which buttons that those functions are for. So, and the remote control takes 4 AAA batteries. The trim buttons are up here, however, and those trim buttons are for the pitch and the roll. There's also the trim buttons down here, which are for the yaw. This button here is the flip button, and this button here is the speed changing button, and the speed has three speed modes. So let's check it out. Okay, I wanted to show you something here, is that the prop guards are very easy to remove. All you do is unhook this little tab. It comes right off on each one, and it's really easy to take it off and put back. So I'm going to fly around without the prop guards, so let's check that out. Haha, really small without the prop guards. There's the yaw on low, and the yaw on medium, and the yaw on high rates. The yaw does not change with the speed change. Let's go back down to low. There's the roll, and there's the pitch, and in medium gets a little better. There's the pitch, and there's the roll. Let's go to high. It gets even deeper, which is really nice. There's the roll on high rates. Wow, really nice. Let's do a flip. Nice flip. That might have been a little bit too far away. The drone is very small. So let's do a flip. Yeah, backward flip, right side flip, left side flip, and forward flip. All right. Really nice. Here's the funnels on high rates. "50-meter range." I do not know what happens after the 50-meter range, so let's bring it back in here and see what happens. Okay, cutting off the power to the transmitter. Okay, the power cuts off, so that's good. Let's rebind. 7 to 8 minutes of flight time on a 150 milliamp battery. That's not bad. Okay, that'll be on low. Speed passes on low for you. This will be a great indoor flyer. The controls are very accurate and precise, and there's no delay. I really like that. Okay, medium rates. And it has those nice little lights on the eye, gold lights on the eye that illuminate, and on the bottom there's some kind of like the U807. It has these plastic, clear plastic colored bottom for the arm, so the LEDs illuminate the whole arm. And it's very stable, as you can see, and you see the eyes light up. Really cool, man. This is a nice little flyer. Everybody should have one of these. Okay, that was the speed passes on medium, and let's go to high. Woo-hoo-hoo. Pretty nice and speedy. Nice little funnels.